And also we discussed about project architecture. Okay. Now tell me, what is introduction to full stack Java and core Java? Weekly I will revise. So as part of this topic, we have learned these are the topics. Course title, prerequisites to join this course, duration and fee for full stack Java and core Java, and next material, assignments and exams, number of faculties, full stack Java syllabus, and I think we have added here separately admin details also. Let me take separate this one. Admin and my number. Admin's number and my number. Okay. Next, how to share material to all you people and how many faculties are working for completing this full stack Java and full stack Java development syllabus, and then completion roadmap and placement screening test exam, and next core Java syllabus, and next target of this course. Okay, target of this course. These are the points we discussed on day one. Quickly revise. First one, what course title? Course title is Core Java and Full Stack Java Development. Now you can join only Core Java or you can join Full Stack Java Developer. You wanted to become Java developer, so you can join Full Stack Java. No sir, I am working, I want to go to testing side or I want to go Pega side. I have already doing full stack Python. I want just some Java knowledge, sir, extra Java knowledge. Okay, then only join core Java. This point is clear. Only join core Java when if you are dealing with, okay, if you are only wanted to learn core Java means language, Java language only you want to learn. Further, you want to move to some other, Selenium side, testing side or Pega side, some Java based technologies you wanted to go, then choose what? Only core Java. No, sir, I want to become Java, full stack Java developer, then choose complete course. Core Java is a part of full stack Java. You can join only core Java, also you can join full stack Java. Next, I will not only cover core Java, just language point of view, students point of view, because our target is becoming software engineer. So I will teach full stack Java, core Java with what? Project. I myself also prepare you for interviews also. You no need to run there and here for preparing interviews. I will only do everything, no need to worry. I will cover this core Java, start from 0 to 100%, from beginner to intermediate to expert. I will start with very zero level definition, and next I will take a program and small test case program, and then I will take to the project also. So if you sincerely studying along with me, okay, then you will every day become project developer. One topic I will take and teach you at a definition. For example, I am teaching data type. What is data type? Why data type? And then small program on data type, and then how to use data types in the project. Everything clearly I will cover, no need to worry. I'll show you small example for you how our course will be work out. For example, I'm choosing the middle chapter, say data type. This is the data type. In a data type chapter, first we are learning data type, types of data types. What is data type? How many data types? Then intermediate level, using data type, variables, array, class, object. And then going to expert level. What is that? Project. So I wanted to take one real-time example, Amazon. Okay, Amazon project development required some more knowledge. So I'm taking small project over NareshIT.com. In NareshIT.com, we have students data, employee data, bank accounts data, laptops data, fans data, paper data. So how to store our project, how to develop project, how to read the data from the user, how to store in the program, how to store a database. So everything I will go in a systematic way. So 3 levels I will teach you. Every topic I will teach you at 3 levels so that you will have full confidence to attend interviews and develop the code in the company projects. So this is what the way we are going to learn Java. So course title is Core Java and Full Stack Java Development with project and interview preparation. I will only take care of interview also. You no need to worry. And next we are covering from 0. 0 means what? Are there any prerequisites to start our course? No need to have any computer knowledge. Even you don't know keyboard also, don't worry. Everything I'll teach. Just if you have laptop, it's sufficient. No need to have C or C++ programming knowledge. Sir, you don't no need to have single program knowledge. Directly come here as a layman, you continue, I will explain you everything. Any graduation student, any branch student, means people are asking, sir, I'm mechanical, can I join Java? I'm civil, can I join Java? I'm electrical, can I join Java? Any BTech branch student can join Java, no problem. So if you want get IT job on Java, or if you want to improve, already you are working in IT field as a Java developer. If you want to improve subject depth knowledge, you can join this course happily without any second thought. So finally what? Prerequisites what? Prerequisites are no prerequisites are no prerequisites. So you can start just with a mind, I want to learn Java, then join. No need to worry, everything I will take care of it. Okay. And what the duration of this course? Here we need to understand duration for full stack Java, duration for core Java. Duration for full stack Java is 6 months. Duration for core Java is 3 months. Okay. In full stack Java, we have 5 modules are there. It's not just one course. Full stack Java is not just one course. We have modules. How many modules are there? 5 modules we have, and fee is 20K. Core Java, 3 months it will take. And as part of core Java, we're learning 5 units. 5 units we are going to discuss. Fee is 3,500, with records 6,000, and our current class time, core Java class time is core Java CJ class time. Core Java class time will be 6 to 8 p.m. 1 hour, 50 minutes class will definitely run per day. And daily classes will be 6 days per week. Okay, sir. In full stack Java, we are starting our first course is core Java. Clear? In a full stack Java, we are starting our first course core Java. In addition to core Java, we have other courses also. Those courses time slot will be different, not at the time 6 to 8. 6 to 8 p.m. is only for core Java. Okay. Then this is a duration, fee, and full stack Java, core Java is clear. Okay. Then next, now I want to do payments, or I have some technical problems. So whom I should contact? For your class, exclusively one admin got assigned. For online students, admin number is this. For offline student, admin number is this. Okay. Please take this number. Offline students, online students, save these numbers. Don't save both numbers. Online students online, offline students offline. Don't say both and don't confuse. Offline students will not respond to online students. Online student will not respond to offline students. Both are different. Name, admin, his name is Arif. His name I forgot offline. Faculty, HK, very, very important. Okay, Arvind. Okay. Save with name. And this is my name, my number faculty. And very important, only send all contact admins or me only on WhatsApp. Don't call. We will call you. Okay. If you call, we don't respond because admins will be busy with his works and I'll be busy in the class. So if you are calling and feel we are not responding, then you'll feel bad. That's why send a message. Contact admins only on WhatsApp text message. Don't call, we will call. Okay. So everyone have taken these numbers? Saved up? And this is a famous number. You can search in the Google also. Krishna number and my number will come. Google know me very well. Then next, following by material, assignment and exam. Okay, I will share daily running class material assignments via Google Classroom. Okay, I have created, okay, admins have created Google Classroom for your batch. Offline students separately, online students separately created. I will share the material here from today onwards. Okay, na? Sir, how to join Google Classroom? These Google Classroom will be available immediately. You can join once you complete payment. Okay, for paid students, Google Classroom and material will be available. Is it clear? So before payments, just videos will be available. Through videos, you can access material. So if you want direct material, you have to complete your payments as early as possible, complete payment and then join and get the access to the Google Classroom. Here I will add day wise, okay? For example, let me show you other batch students. So this is a 11 a.m. batch. In 11 a.m. batch, daily material, chapter wise, I am uploading. So chapter 1, Introduction to Java, Comments and Java Token, second chapter, Working with Edit Plus, third chapter, Language Fundamentals and Building Logic, fourth chapter, Data Types, Literals and Type Conversion, Variable and Types of Variables. Like this, I'm going to share chapter wise, I'm going to upload. For your batch also, I will add chapter wise. Is it clear? So, and in your batch, I will add chapter wise and also day wise. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, like that I will add, so that you will have full clarity on which day what happened. Okay, fine. So is it clear to everyone how I share the material? Via Google Classroom, I'll share material. Next, number of faculties to cover this full stack Java. One faculty is not possible. We have number of faculties are working. Okay, 5+ faculties will work, and in that complete full stack Java, we have core Java, we have Oracle, we have HTML, we have advanced Java, we have Spring Boot microservices. Now I am responsible only for core Java. Okay, na? Right. So remaining courses will be handled by other faculties. Right. Then next, what is the full stack Java syllabus? Full stack Java is divided into 5 modules because we have several courses are there. Java module, database module, UI module, and DevSec tools of module, and AWS basics module. Okay, simply you can call it as a DevOps module, DevOps module and AWS basics module. Then here under Java module, we are going to learn what is the core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices and mini projects development. Now here, of course, Spring Boot, Spring is the basics and then Spring Boot you are learning. Now in this Java module, I am only the responsible for core Java teaching. Database module, we are covering Oracle database. There are different databases are there. We are here to learn only Oracle, SQL, PL/SQL. UI module contains HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap and React.js. Tell me, any of you remember these 3 modules meant for development or after development? Come on. People who attended on Fridays, Thursday, Friday. These 3 modules meant for development or after development? Everyone. These 3 modules for what? Development or after development? Development. I want to develop project, then these 3 modules you have to use. After development, what are the modules after development? These 2. After development, for building, packing, deploying, modifying, for that we have to use DevOps modules. Okay, let me remove this. DevOps modules, 15 tools we are going to use. Important tools are Maven, Gradle, Log4j, SL4j, JUnit, Mockito, HTTP unit, Git, GitHub, Jira, Jenkins, Docker, Kafka. Like this, there are around 15 tools are there. And AWS basics also you are going to learn. Creating AWS account on AWS, creating account on AWS and installing web server, installing database, deploying project, and then running the deploying and running project and providing access to the client. All these works we are going to do as part of what? AWS. Okay, and next. Now, these many modules are there, these many courses are there. What is the right way to complete our course? Full stack Java completion roadmap. How to complete full stack Java? Can I do course one after one? Yes. Can I do multiple courses at a time? Yes. So based on your time availability, based on your daytime availability, you can do multiple courses also at a time. We can complete full stack Java in 2 modes, sequentially and also what? Parallelly. Sequentially, one course after another course for college students and job. Okay, job doing people. And parallelly 3 courses per day for college completed students. If you go one after one, duration will be 1 year it will take. If you do parallelly 3 courses per day, then in 6 months you can complete this course. Then what is the order we have to complete here? My recommendation is, these are 3 courses are there which there is no dependency. Independent courses. What are the independent courses? We are doing in level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1 courses are independent. They are Core Java, Oracle, HTML. These 3 courses you are starting from today. Core Java you started. Afternoon session, morning session, you would have started Oracle, HTML. It will take 3 months. Level 2 courses are Advanced Java, DevOps tools, and AWS. This will take what? 2 months. Next, level 3 courses you have to learn Spring Boot, what do you call Spring Basics, Spring Boot microservices, and React.js. Then, when to join Advanced Java? Can I join Advanced Java in the within 3 months? Yes. Okay. Core Java, Oracle, HTML. After 45 days, you can join level 2 courses. After 3 months, you can join level 3 courses. So totally within 6 months, you have to plan properly to complete them. Okay. Next, placement screening test exam. Now, if I join full stack Java, are we providing placement? Yes, we are providing placement assistance, but we are conducting one exam for you. People who are qualified in this exam, for them placement will be there for free of cost. No need to pay any extra money. Okay, so no need to pay extra money for placement assistance, but we are conducting one exam. The exam syllabus will be, you have to complete 4 courses: Core Java, Oracle, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Advanced Java. React.js not required. People who are learning Core Java, CSS, JavaScript, same faculty will teach Bootstrap also. In the same course, Bootstrap also will be covered. React.js knowledge is not required. Okay, right. So these are after these 4 courses completed, you are eligible to write screening text exam. The exam pattern is multiple choice questions and scenario logical programs will be there. Screening test exam is only offline mode exam. You have to come to Hyderabad to write this exam. Online I will write, not allowed. So this is placement assistance related. Then with this knowledge, we completed full stack Java information. Then we move to Core Java. Core Java is nothing but a learning programming language. What we are learning as part of Core Java? As part of Core Java, we are learning programming language. Programming language, you are learning Java programming language for developing programs and for developing projects. You are learning as part of Core Java. Then I divided Core Java syllabus into 5 units where you are going to learn Java fundamentals, object-oriented programming, logical programming, Java library. Java library is also called what? API, application programming interface. Then following by project development also you are learning. Java fundamentals, basic programs you are going to learn how to develop, compile and execute. Then object-oriented programming, business applications you are learning. Naresh IT website development, Amazon operations development, bank application development, ticket reservation application development. That kind of applications are comes under what? Object-oriented programming. Next, as part of object-oriented programming, for example, bank application, I need to write a lot of mathematical calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For that, we are going to learn logical programming also. Math-based and pattern-based programs you are learning here. And then Java library, predefined classes given by Java software you are going to learn. Next, project development. We are going to develop the project with all 3 modules of the project: UI, programming, and here in Core Java, we are not going to use database. We will use file system. Database will be in Advanced Java. So with this 10 topics, we are, after completing this Core Java, full stack Java, the target of this course is becoming project developer with full stack Java. As a full stack Java. Okay, becoming project developer as full stack Java developer. Full stack Java developer to develop complete project end to end, all paths. Okay, right. So do you want to write some important points, notes here? Do you have patience to write notes? Today I told you I'll dictate the notes today onwards. Okay, please write down. Everyone have good notes, new notes? Last 2 days classes, I want to dictate notes. Online students, in this section for new students, any confusions, questions? Do you have any questions to ask? Asra, can you please repost your question? How much full stack Java with videos? Full stack Java with videos, don't buy. Each course buy with videos. Okay, na? Which course you feel important, the only that course videos you buy. Nivedita, then buy course with videos, your problem will be solved. Okay? Okay, look at here. This is your Jamdar Nafisa. Nafisa. I will share the payment link. Then you can pay. Okay, now don't worry about payment. We will take care of that. Videos will be 6 months. Lifetime, not lifetime. Access of the videos will be for 6 months. 3 months course. After 3 months, more 3 months. This is your page buddy. Everyone look at here. Nivedita, obviously, now I have to buy server for videos, right? You have to pay extra fees. 6,000 for videos, I told you, right? Look at here. This is your page. Offline students especially. Corner of this page here, write your name and number. You will forget books in the class. So we have to call you and return to you, right? Name and mobile. Write down first. Corner of your notes. LKG standards. Name and mobile. Don't write just name. You write your name and mobile. Corner of your first page, top of the page, write your name and mobile. Your name. Don't write name colon. If it is my book, I will write my name, my mobile number. Then middle of the page, okay? Or yeah, better go for middle of the page. What you write here? Core Java and full stack Java with project and interview preparation. This is our course title. Do what I am saying. Core Java and full stack Java with project and interview preparation. By whom? By Mr. Hari Krishna. Naresh IT. Java is meant for web development only, Mr. Akshita. Java is meant for web development only. Java is famous for, popular for web development only. If you learn full stack Java, you can survive as a web developer only. Okay, so this is your first page, and whatever the space remaining, leave it. In future, I'm going to add some more points. Okay, then go to second page. Mahima Yadav, I already said no prerequisite, right? Already shown you no prerequisites. Okay, in first page only, right? Here only down, so that you'll have confidence. Here only down, no prerequisites to learn full stack Java. No prerequisites to learn full stack Java. What the meaning of it? No need to have computer knowledge. You can survive or not. Akshita, if you eat food, can you live or not? If you eat proper food, will you live or not? There are two Akshatas are there. Boram Setti Akshita. So same thing, okay? Don't have unnecessary doubts in your brain. If you cannot survive, why will run this course? Correct? There are two types of biryanis are there. Chicken biryani, mutton biryani. Some people require chicken biryani, some people require mutton biryani. Which biryani you want? Java is chicken biryani, AI is mutton biryani, very hard. Chicken biryani, Java is chicken biryani, very soft. Which one you want? Veg biryani, yeah? Veg biryani is UI. Okay, full stack UI. So veg biryani means another flavor. So which flavor you want to choose, decide. Completed? We can start. Java, cover Java. Java as first programming language. You guys are joining the course with a lot of doubts. You start your journey, car journey, you are driving. The moment you get into the car, if you have a question, maybe accident happen, and then you will go and hit other person. With the confidence you have to come. If I learn Java, can I survive or not? If you feel not survive, will not survive. If you feel survive, will survive. Nagaraj, how many versions you know? How many versions of Java you know? And which version you are planning to use? You are planning to learn. Up to 1.6 you know. That is a Jamana Kalam version, Purana version. My childhood version it is. Completed? We will learn up to Java 17 completely. Now current version is 23. Java 20 is the current version. Okay. Up to current version 23, what are the important features? We will learn. Write on this question. What is full stack Java? Move to the next page, new page. Leave it. Leave that page. Go to next page. First question. What is full stack Java? What is full stack Java? Come on, everyone, online students, please write notes. What is full stack Java? 1 minute. The question is, what is the full stack development? Sorry, not full stack Java. What is the full stack development? What is the full stack development? Right up. The process of developing a complete project, the process of developing a complete project end to end is called full stack development. Is called full stack development. Second point, an end-to-end means, second point, an end-to-end means the front-end UI screens to the front-end UI screens to the front-end UI screens to backend programs and database. Front-end UI screens to backend programs and database. Backend programs and database. Third point, every project has three parts. Every project has three parts, in bracket layers. Every project has three parts. Number one, UI. Number two, programming. Number one, UI. Number two, programming. Number three, database. Number three, database. Write on this architecture. UI, this is a project. Okay. Inside project, what is there? UI. UI contain how many parts? Two parts. Form, reading inputs. Listen. First listen. So this is the project. Project contains how many parts? Three parts. First UI, second programming, third database. UI contains two parts. What is the two parts? Forms, reports. Forms are meant for reading input from the user, passing those inputs to programming part. Then report is responsible for displaying out. Take the generated result from the programming, display the result. Two parts are there. Programming is divided into how many parts? Three parts. Okay. First one is what? Validation. Second one, calculations, generating result. Third one is what? Errors. Errors are exceptions. And then now database. Database will contain data. Now three parts are there. Okay. Errors I am not considering. Now repeat once again. Project has three parts. Database is responsible for what? Database contain two parts. Number one, tables, and then what? Procedures. Tables and procedures. UI contain two parts. Programming contain three parts. Database contain two parts. Next, listen. What is the flow of execution? End user access our project. Our project will show forms to the end user. End user is giving the inputs. Then those inputs are submitting to second step program. Program will do required number of validations and calculations, generate result. And that inputs and outputs are stored inside database tables. Then database, after storing in database tables, it gives the response back to the program. Program giving the response to the UI. Then UI, with the help of report, displays those outputs output to the end user. Okay, this is the entire project architecture. Olden days, we have 3 different developers to develop this project. Means in my childhood, olden days means what? In my childhood, we have 3 developers. When my career started in 2004, 2005, that time, we have separate teams are there. One team for HTML forms to take care web designer. Second person will be taken care by this programming called web developer, and third person will take care by the database called PL by SQL developer. There are 3 teams are there in company: web designer team, web developer team, and PLSQL developer team. All you people are comes under which one? Web designer or web developer or PLSQL developer? No. According to this olden days, you comes under which team? You are a web developer. According to olden days, you comes under what? Web developer. Because you are a programmer, na? Programmer comes under what? Web developer. If you join HTML course and learn HTML course for developing this UI, then you will be called what? Web designer. You learn Oracle course and Oracle SQL, PLSQL you are learning, then you call what? PLSQL developer. So, but nowadays in the modern applications development, nowadays we have only one developer who can handle all the 3 parts. That's why you people are called what? Full stack developer. Samajh Maya? Difference between full stack developer and other developers? Okay, if you learn only HTML, then you are a web designer. If you learn only Java, you will be a web developer. If you learn only database tables and procedures, then you will be a PLSQL developer. You learn all the 3 parts, then you are a full stack developer. Now more demand will be there to whom now? Full stack developer. Why? Tell me, if company wanted to recruit a developer to take care of this UI programming database, olden days, how many people we have to recruit? 3 people. Assume that for each person salary is 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Company has to spend how much money? 30,000 has to spend. Second problem. First problem, cost. Second problem, whenever number of people are increasing, ego feelings will be there. One person get hurted by another person. Finally, they will not work. Now the company has to sit with the employees to settle them. Now the fightings to decrease. If only one developer is there to take care of all the 3 parts, then tell me, what is the salary I have to pay? Here I am paying 30,000. One developer means 20,000 sufficient or not? I can bargain with him to pay 20,000, 10,000 saved. Second problem, now only one developer is there. Will he fight with any other developer? No. Will he have one mirror and fighting with him himself? No. When there is no fighting, anywhere problem is coming, who is responsible? The same first person is responsible. Okay, I had an experience. Now I am a web developer. I am working part of the programming part. Front end separate team is there, back end separate team is there. One time we got a very big issue in my project, production issue is there. That time PLSQL developers, all people are on the leave. The entire team is on leave. No one is there. Okay, then I am there in the programming part. Front end team also available, back end team is not there. And we don't have access to back end code to process, to fix the bug. Then we were waiting for him to come to the next day. 24 hours time wasted. For us 24 hours, but for client 48 hours, because they are coming night time, no? US people will come, our client is US client. So he will come at night time, and then we said, sorry sir, still it will take some more time. I cannot say my developer not there, sorry I cannot work, no. So we said what, we convinced the client, okay, still we are working on, we are not figured out, so we need more time. Then next day he come, next day morning we work, by next day he is coming, we fix that issue and then deliver the project, deliver the patch for that. So if multiple developers are available, then we have a problem. Then my CEO of company decided, call to all of our teams, we must have, every developer must have access to every module. Every developer should know what is happening in another module. Then there people have started slowly introducing the word called full stack developer. Earlier we call end-to-end project. What is the first end? UI. What is the last end? Database. We used to call olden days end-to-end. CEO has had a conference of all the three teams and told to the team leads of the three teams, every member of your three teams must have access to every module available in the project. Every developer must be a end-to-end developer. There is no excuse. He shouted at all the developers. Then all the three team members who are working on the project come together. One team member started sharing the knowledge of other team member. 1 week KT had happened on full project. Then we are started called as what? End-to-end developer. Slowly this end-to-end developer term has changed to full stack developer. Understand how it came, right? Please write on this diagram as it is. Completed writing? Rushikesh, I said write this diagram. Why you need my audio? Mahesh, so as part of full stack Java, whatever the syllabus I have shown, everything you are learning. Don't have doubts. Okay. Krishna Chaitanya, what is your meaning of regular classes? Can you tell me? What do you think regular class? Which topic you feel is the regular class? Core Java. Is it not core Java? Then what is it? What is your core Java syllabus? Rishikesh, who told you AI is there dangerous to Java, man? First cut friendship with that person. Is a car dangerous to bike? Is bus dangerous to car? Every vehicle has its own path, its own purpose. Java purpose is, that's what, stay away from those friends. Every vehicle has its own purpose. Java has its own purpose. Python has its own purpose. Okay. If you want AI developer, you learn Python. You want application developer, you learn Java. Simple. Everyone got clarity? What completed? First we have learned what is full stack development. Full stack development means developing a project end to end. Then every project is having three parts: UI, programming, and database. Okay. Then now to develop this UI forms and reports, we need one course. What is that course name? HTML. I need one course for developing programming. What is this course? Java. Okay. I need one course for developing database tables and procedures. What is that course? Oracle. Is it clear? Tell me. If I develop this programming part by using Java, then we call it as full stack Java development. Okay. If I develop this entire project by using Python and Django, we call it as full stack Python development. If I develop this programming part by using Node.js and Express.js, we call it as full stack UI. Okay. If you develop the same programming part by using .NET, then we call it as full stack .NET. If you develop this one by using machine learning, artificial intelligence, AI, then we call it as full stack data science. Now tell me, how many full stacks you have? We have, how many full stacks we have? How many full stacks we have? We have 5 full stacks are there. 1 second guys, I will open that slide. We have 5 full stacks are there. What are the 5 full stacks? We have 5 full stacks are there. Look at that. Every project has 3 parts. The 3 parts are divided into 2 parts, front end and back end. Programming and database together is called what? Back end. Front end UI screens, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React. That is fixed. You take any programming language, that is fixed. Then what is backend? We have full stack Java backend, full stack Python backend, full stack .NET Core backend, full stack UI, and full stack data science. Totally how many are there? 5 full stacks are there. Now, among these 5 full stacks, which one is having good craze in the market? Always full stack Java has a first priority. Either you are a fresher or as an experiencer person, if you want to get a job, either as a fresher or experiencer person, you want to get job quickly, very fast. If you want to get job, then join full stack Java. Okay, sir, I will put some efforts, sir. Okay, I have good mathematical talent. All the people tell me 5 plus 6, how much? Wow, you are experts in Java. Okay, sir, I am very strong in matrix calculation, what do you call algebra, okay, and what do you call statistics, algebra, matrix, okay, any mathematical calculation, sir. I am topper in my BTech M2 paper. Okay, then take data science, full stack data science. Again repeating, there are 2 modes of projects development in the market now. Number one, applications development. Number two, AI applications development. Just normal apps development, Amazon app, Facebook app, Twitter app, apps development. Then also in those apps backend, we have data analyzation is there. Any of you, have you experienced when you search some videos in the YouTube, next day onwards, whatever yesterday you searched, those searched videos recommendations only coming or not? Those recommendations are done by Python programming language. Data science program, data science scripts, data science scripts will be their background. Okay, the YouTube app is developed by using Java. Background of this YouTube app, based on your search data, recommended videos are providing to you by backend database and Python. Sorry, data science and Python. So my first recommendation to every student is full stack Java to get the job. After getting job in the company, based on your experience is increasing. If you are good at Java applications development, you can continue. No, sir, I am very good at mathematics. Then slowly you move to where now? The second full stack. What is that? Full stack data science. Okay. Next, also you can choose a full stack UI. But I don't recommend full stack Python or full stack .NET. .NET is having jobs, but less number of people are showing interest on the .NET. If you are choosing Python as your language, Python, Django, MySQL is called what? Full stack Python. But on full stack Python, you don't have jobs. Hello? Understood? Again repeating. Full stack Java applications development. Full stack Python also what? Application development. But full stack Python not providing security to application. Full stack Python. Python is not meant for applications development like what do you call Amazon application, Flipkart application, bank application. Applications development purpose Python is not used because it doesn't have security concepts. Okay, lot of transaction management securities are required for developing business applications. That's why people are using what? Java. Okay, now where Python is used, Python not meant for applications development. Python is meant for data science application development. That is last one. Python plus DS and not data structures, right? Data science, machine learning, AI, and backend database is MongoDB. So this flavor, if you want, after Python, you must go to where now? Data science, not a Django. Django, MySQL, if you learn and searching for the job, you will face a lot of difficulty to get the job. So if you want to be application developer, go to Java, full stack Java. Okay, if you want a data science or AI side, then choose the last one, Python, data science, machine learning, AI module you have to choose. Is it clear? Right. What is the language? Python. What is the framework? Data science, machine learning, AI. What is the database? MongoDB. Next, what is Java? Java is a language. What is SB? SB stands for Spring Boot framework, Spring Boot framework, and backend what? Oracle database. So backend has a three parts are there: language, framework, database. Okay. Now tell me, if you choose Python as a language, what is the Python framework? Django. And what is the database? MySQL. If you take .NET as a language, C#.NET language, and backend ASP.NET framework, and SQL Server is the database. Okay. If you take UI as a language, Express.js, Node.js, they themselves language is JavaScript. Language is JavaScript, Express.js, Node.js are what? API or frameworks, whatever. Okay. And the MongoDB will be the backend database, or MySQL is the background database. So if you should have awareness on all these 5 frameworks, and my recommendation order, choose first priority always full stack. If I am not very strong in mathematics, silently join Java and learn. Maths is not required. Sir, I am talented person in the maths, sir, I can show my talent. Don't join Java, go to Python. Sir, I am not good at maths, sir, not good at that programming thinking process. Silently join full stack UI. Okay, na? Right? No, sir, I want drag and drop buttons, sir. Then join .NET. Understood? Right? So the order. And sir, I don't do anything, sir. Just I want to watch, sir. Join Python. I am a watchman, sir. I don't do anything, sir. Just I want to watch what is happening. One line I want to write. Ante, I don't do anything. Then join Python. Okay, then you don't have jobs on Python. Openly I'm saying, seriously I'm telling, no jobs on Python. So jobs are there on Java, full stack Java you have jobs, full stack data science you have job, but full stack Python or Python no jobs. If you join Python, you have to go to a Django side, no jobs. Go to data science side, jobs are there. But mathematics, you should be very strong. Statistics and linear algebra, if you know, then go for data science side. Is it clear? Clearer? Right down, next right down. We have 5 different full stacks in market. We have continuation to this diagram, Adhyaksha. Continuation to this diagram. We have 5 full stacks in market. What about C, C++? Questions? C++, what? Jamana gone, Rabo. If you want to develop any standalone gaming applications, use C and C++. We have 5 different full stacks. Depending on continuation, depending on the language, and the frameworks, depending on language and frameworks, we use to develop programming part in the project. We used to develop the programming part in the project. Repeat once again. What you have written? We have 5 different full stacks depending on the language and its frameworks we use to develop programming. Okay. Write down these full stacks as it is, you write. And the order, recommended order, first full stack Java, okay, then full stack data science, and then full stack UI. Recommended order is this. You can write in any order. If you want to write same order, you can write full stack Java, full stack data science, full stack UI, full stack .NET, full stack Python. Whichever order you want, you write. The reason why I have taken this order, first 5 full stacks are for application development. Last full stack data science is the data analyzation. Behind of these full stack data science will be used. Okay, right. Nagaras, Hadoop is a framework. Java plus Hadoop, if you want, you can use that one. That is a one full stack. I don't want to mention that here. As a developer, we are going to use this. Data science backend, Power BI, Hadoop will be used for data processing. Power BI for data visualization, Hadoop for data processing will be used. Sai Siddharth, Java means core Java. Core Java plus Spring Boot. Java means core Java and advanced Java. Together will come Java. Okay. So tell me, as a Java developer, you are a front-end developer or back-end developer? Hey, answer my question. As you are a Java developer, you are learning Java. Java developer is a front-end developer or back-end developer? Back-end developer. Okay, HTML course learner, front-end developer. React JS learner, front-end developer. Java, Python, .NET, these people are back-end developers. Language programmers are back-end developers. As a full stack developer, you are both front-end and back-end developer. Completed, Anana? Mahesh, yes, you can move on. Anita, I'm not aware of it. Search in the Google. Everyone completed? So got clarity on which one you have to use? Here, please write these full stacks for application development. This full stack for not application, for data analyzation. You can say business application or application, whatever. For example, Amazon, YouTube. This is data analyzation. Data analyzation means recommendation. Did you know Netflix? After you watch one movie, this movie related story, remaining movies recommendations coming na? That is what? Application development or recommendations? Recommendation. Those recommendations are developed by using data science, Python and data science. Okay. I will give you one more example. You apply your brain little thought process and tell. Google is developing one electronic device. If that electronic device is attached to your hand, after few minutes, it will generate a report that is there any chance the person get cancer, heart attack, and the serious diseases, is there any chance to get, it will generate the report. Then that application is Java application or data science application. చెప్పాలి చూస్తూ కూర్చోకూడదు సైలెంట్గా నేను 2 ఆప్షన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏదో ఒక ఆప్షన్ చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి యూ హావ్ టు చూస్ వన్ ఆప్షన్ డోంట్ సిట్ సైలెంట్లీ రిపీట్ అగైన్ Google is developing one electronic device. In that electronic device they are inserting one software. This software what is doing, it will read your blood pressure, means the your what you call nerve system and everything it will read, and after few minutes it will generate a report. This report will tell you is there any chance that person get cancer, heart attack or any other diseases. And then that software available in the electronic device is a application or data analyzation application. Data analyzation. So the blood pressure data analyzing and one report is generating. Then what is that application? Java application or data science application? That data science application, if you want to develop, which language you should learn? Java na Python? Python you have to learn. Everyone understand? Right. So got clarity on? So Java means the application, the web applications, websites, what you are seeing, they are developed by using Java. Backend of the Java application, data analyzation is required. Then what will be used? Python, data science will be used. Okay, na? Right. Next, I will ask one more question. Which is having more jobs now in the market, Java side or Python side? Let us take application development is necessary for every business or not? Suppose we are starting one gym. Gyms are starting. For gym, customers are joining. For them, I need to track their data. For that, I need one application or not? That application is developed by using Java na, or what do you call Python? Java. Application is developed by using Java. Tell me, for gym applications to develop background, any data analyzation required or not required? Not required. Background data analyzation not required. Then Python is there or not there? Not there. Now you take I am developing one application. This application is a social media application. This application, social media application to develop, what I require? Java. After developing, I am providing one search box. In that search box, the person is typing the data. Based on the search data, I have to go to different place and collect the data, and I have to show the response to him. After that, next time when you open my application, social media application, I have to show the posts on the home page according to his previous search data or none. Then for that backend, I should use Java na Python? Python. Data analyzation purpose, Python required. Now you decide one point. Array, how many applications are having in the world data analyzation required? Is every business required application development or not? Yes. In every business application, do you have data analyzation? No. That means Java side more opportunities are there, data science side more opportunities are there. Java side more opportunities are there. That's why I'm saying full stack Java will give you job fast, because more applications are there in the market, more opportunities are there. You follow my point? And next, data analyzation side, lot of mathematical calculations knowledge is required. So you decide where to go. What is my recommendation? My recommendation is full stack Java with only Python. Full stack Java with only Python. First you complete full stack Java and then search for the jobs. In your resume, compulsory you should mention Python also. Okay, only Python course you join. When after full stack Java completed, while you are going for the job, only learn Python. Don't learn data science, only Python. Why? In a company, when you got a job, in the Java side, Python also may be used background. Na? You got the job either Java side or .NET side or UI side background. There is a chance now what will be there? Python also will be there for data processing. That time, if you don't know the Python, maybe you will face some problem. Why should I get the problem? That's why my recommendation is what? Learn Python also. If you are choosing full stack data science, then after full stack data science completed, my recommendation is learn core Java also. Only core Java language. Tell me, in your academics, you are learning minimum 2 speaking languages or not? Your mother tongue plus Hindi plus English. Mother tongue to survive in your village. Hindi surviving in India, and English survive in the abroad world. Similarly, to survive in the programming world, we need 2 languages. One is application development and second one is what? Data analyzation application. So application development is Java, data analyzation is what? Python. If you choose full stack data science as your career, then you are working back end of the application. But this application from Python is collecting data from where? From the front end application. Front end application, how it is designed, how it is developed, having idea is also necessary or not. That's why what you are choosing, based on that you decide. Because you all chosen Java as your platform, my recommendation is full stack Java plus only Python language. Don't learn other stuff. The Django, MySQL, data science, machine learning not required. Only Python you learn. Okay, na? So this is what my recommendation. Finally, hope you all got clarity, right? Write down. Next, down. One statement you write here. For all types of full stack development, for all types of full stack development, for all types of full stacks development, the front end screens are developed. The front end screens are developed. The front end screens are developed by using the same technologies, by using the same technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap and React. One last statement, can you tell me? React is a front end or back end? React meant for developing front end or back end? Front end. Node.js, back end. Okay, na? Front end is your React.js. Back end is Node.js. Who will connect these two? Express.js. Express.js will connect React and Node.js. Okay, just information purpose. Okay, down right down. Next point, full stack Java development. Full stack Java development. Please write on this. If we develop a project, if we develop a project, if we develop a project by using Java language, and its frameworks, Java language and its frameworks, Spring Boot and its framework, Spring Boot, Java language and its framework, Spring Boot. We call it as full stack Java development. 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 Please write down the three points. Front end, UI screens. What is that HU React? H means HTML. You can write full, because I don't have space, I write in shortcut. You can write full HTML and React. Middleware means programs, Java and Spring Boot. Backend, database, Oracle. So can I expect everyone understand about full stack? Still any confusions? Now from tomorrow onwards in Amirpet market, when you go outside, any hostels, anybody say full stack, will you get smile face? When will you get smile face? When you know anything, everything about that particular word, you will get smile face. Somebody say, Ari mama, full stack. Which full stack you want? Which full stack you want? Full stack Java na, full stack Python na, full stack .NET or full stack data science, which full stack? You know, full stack testing also there. One more full stack is that full stack testing. I didn't include here because we are not becoming testers. We want to become developers. Developer point of view, full stacks I have told. And next, you are Java full stack because middleware programs are developed by using Java. Okay, Python means middleware Python. Is it everyone clear? Next, write down syllabus, full stack syllabus. Full stack Java development syllabus. We will write just, these words, very important, you should know. Full stack Java development syllabus. Full stack Java development syllabus. I will tell you, please follow. Full stack Java development syllabus. Every project has two parts. Every project has, don't say two parts, 1 minute. Every project has two levels. Number one, development. Number one, development. Number two, after development. After development, in bracket, build, deploy, test, dot, dot, dot. Build, deploy, test, dot, dot, dot. Like this, many other after development. Okay. Next bullet point. For developing, for performing development and after development operations, for performing development and after development operations, for performing development and after development operations, full stack Java development courses, full stack Java development courses are divided into 5 modules. Are divided into 5 modules. Okay, write on that 5 modules: Java module, database module, UI module, DevOps module, AWS basics module. All these are very important information to you. Don't feel the time wasting. If you want to start journey, first you should know start and end points, where you are starting, where you are going, what are the middle stages are coming in your journey, you should know. You want to come from your native place to Hyderabad, then complete journey information you must have. Roadmap you should know. Without knowing no roadmap, if you jump, somewhere you will be stuck up in the middle or you will stop. Right? Completed these 3 modules? 5, tell me, in this, which are the development modules and which are the after the development modules? Java module, database module, UI module are development modules. DevOps module and AWS are after development modules. Okay, right. Courses for development module. Courses for development. Courses for development. Courses for development. Java module we have. You can add microservices and mini project. 5th place, you write microservices and mini project. Or you can write in the 3rd option, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices and mini project. Whatever you comfort, based on your comfort. Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, mini projects. In a mini projects development, you will use all modules, Adhiksha. In a mini projects development, you will use all these things and you will get 3+ years of experience, developer experience. You can ready for the interviews and projects development. Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, mini projects. Then database module, we have Oracle course. Under Oracle, we have SQL and PL by SQL. UI module 5. This is UI module for backend or front end? Front end. Java module and database module backend. Place these 3 modules in one box. Second one, Courses for after development operations. Building, deploying, testing. Testing means running. Any order you can write. Here I have written Git, GitHub, Maven, Gradle, Log4j, SLF4j, JUnit, Mockito, JMeter, Jira. Not this is GIRA, not GRA. Please add here GIRA. JIRA, Jira. JIRA. Jira, Jenkins, Docker, Kafka. And many are there. Sonar, Cube, XYZ. Many are there. These are the main things. Can you confirm once? If I learn only core Java, will I get job? Will company give job? No. Only core Java will make you write programs, but not project. Only core Java, if you learn, no job. You have to learn full stack Java. So plan to take admission to full stack Java and learn everything. Complete, Anna? Sai Raj, YouTube live student, Sai Raj. Java currently not using for data science. In the future versions, maybe will be used. Java doesn't have mathematical library. Python has a huge mathematical library. That's why Python is used. Java doesn't have mathematical library. Java has provided only application development required mathematical application development required library only provided. That's why Java is used for applications development. Python is used for data science development. Okay. Everyone got clarity on last two classes we have learned? Okay. I want to give you one small diagram where you can see all these courses. Can I? So the first architecture I gave you just showing programming, UI and database. Tell me, as part of programming, we have core Java, we have advanced Java, we have Spring Boot, microservices. Where are they used? I want to get more clarity. Okay. One small diagram I'll show you. Please try to understand. Okay. Before going that, this is our roadmap for completing course. Right? Full stack Java learning roadmap. This is also important, you should know. Full stack Java learning roadmap. With this, we'll complete our main points and go for directly jump to Java. Right on this. We can complete, right on this, full stack Java completion roadmap. Full stack Java completion roadmap. Full stack Java completion roadmap. Right on. We can complete full stack Java in two modes. Number one, sequentially, one course after another course, duration 1+ years. Parallelly, 3 courses per day, duration 6 months. Okay. Now please write down level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1, 3 months, level 2, 2 months, and level 3, 3 months. Then totally 8 months now, sir. In the middle of level 1, these 2 courses will not take 3 months, it will take 2 months. Then we are saving 1 month here and joining advanced hour. There we are saving the time. Completed? Can you write these arrow marks there? Advanced when you can start? Only after core Oracle HTML. After 45 days, you have to start advanced Java DevOps. Okay. After advanced Java DevOps tools completed, you have to start Spring Boot after 3 months. Finally, you have to go for job search. These arrow marks will give you understanding on dependency. Come on, make it fast. We have one more slide to write. It's already 7:45. Here I have written 1 month because 1 month of the previous course will be added here. Okay. Everyone completed? Now look at here. Quickly, I want you answer this small question. Okay. Let's see where we are using which course. Please observe here. This is our full project. This Dabba is our full project. Last slide, sir, for today class. This is our project. And tomorrow onwards, we will go into directly Java learning. What is Java, why Java, which Java, core Java will start. This is project. Tell me, a project is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. First one is UI. Second one is programming. Third one is database. UI screens, programming, database. Okay. In a UI screen, we have what? Forms and then what? Reports. Form is nothing but it has labels. Labels nothing but username, password, then text box, and we have here we have submit button. This is called what? Form. Okay. Then next what is there? Report. Initial classes little bit boring because you don't know all this stuff, but very important. Remember, whenever some class is feeling boring, then immediately you should say, hey, very important, very important. Listen, reply. Okay. Report means what? Finally, we are showing output. Everyone answer? This is Amazon. Chrome. Some important point I am going to reveal. Chrome. Now, forms, what do you call, front-end UI screens, back-end programming, database. The complete project is available in my system or in the server computer. Amazon server computer, it is available. In the browser, the moment I type amazon.in and press enter, that entire UI screen pages are traveling from the server computer to my computer and display the home page. Yes or no? Tell me. Now the project is divided into how many parts? 2 parts. Front end and back end. Wonderful. So tell me, the project is divided into 2 parts here. Front end and back end. So tell me, front end is running in a server computer or in a client computer? Client computer. Client means your computer. The person who is accessing is what? Client. The person who is accessing the project is called client. The computer that's sending the response to the client is called what? Server. There are 2 computers are there. Client computer and server computer. Everyone tell me. The moment we access Amazon project, these UI screens are traveled all the way from the server computer to client computer and display the home page. Point number 1 clear? Point number 2. Tell me, the moment when I click on, yesterday example, boat, I'm clicking on this image, boat. The moment when I click on this boat, observe what is happening now. This screen I got, next screen I got, report I got. Is this report available in my system or it is available in the server system? From server system again I got. Tell me, the moment when I click on that image, this page, this request has given to whom now? Programming now? Come on, everyone participate. Don't only watch. Watching days are over, speaking days are started. End user, click on one image available on the form, then that request is went to where now? Programming. Array, programming receiving the request within the local system from the network. Come on. From the network. And the data has to be validated and should be calculated and should generate the result. Who will do this job? This job will be done by Core Java. Where is our Core Java? Core Java is responsible for performing what operations? Develop the program. Core Java is responsible for develop the program to perform validations and calculations. Can I write shortcuts? Vals and cals. Okay. Validations and calculations are performed by whom? Core Java. Now my question is, Can core Java take the data from the network? No. Okay, next, the generated result, inputs and outputs has to be stored inside where? Database. Tell me, can core Java store the data inside the database? No. Core Java is only can do mathematical calculation, that's it. It cannot connect to the network to take the data. It cannot connect to the database to store data. Last class diagram, open the diagram, first diagram. What is written first diagram? Project diagram, first diagram, what you have written there? Valid, okay, first UI screens to programming to database. Directly you have written arrow marks. Now I am going little deeper in the programming part. In the programming part, how many programs we are writing? One program? No. How many programs are there? 3. First program for, come on. First program for taking the data from network. Second program for performing validations and calculation. Third program for storing the data in database. Last 5 minutes class, last chair, buyer. From the first hour, you are keep on looking into your mobile. Then why did you come to the class? I didn't understand. I keep on observing you now. From the first minute onwards, your head is down only. When you are want to chat, why you come to the class? Happily sit in the hostel, no? Such a wrong thought process you people are having. Focus in the class. Last 5 minutes, very important. Now tell me, end user gave the input to whom now? UI screens. Where? In the server computer, client computer, client computer. Now the moment you click on the button, submit button, the data in the HTML form will be submitted to server. Then inside server, one program should be sitting looking at the server, data give me, right? There is a movie na, Arundhati movie. In that Arundhati movie, one devil is there inside the house and calling Rara, right? So like that, he should stand there and asking data, you come, I will collect. There is a one program. After collecting data, this person should be hand over to, who is that person? Pasupati, no? Yes or no? Arundhati coming hand over to whom now? Pasupati. Who is the Pasupati? Core Java. So Core Java is taking data and performing validations and calculation. Now after generated result, the result has to be stored in database. Can Core Java directly store the data in database? No. For that, we need another person, that Mantrika required, right? So that who is that Mantrika here? One more program, store the data in database. Now if you deep understand about programming part is contained 3 programs. First program is what? Reading the data from the user network and storing the data in the database. Reading data from the database, reading data from the user from the network, storing data in the database. Who will this job? This job will be done by advanced Java. Advanced Java. Okay, Core Java will not read data from the database. Who will read data? Advanced Java. Who will store data in database? Advanced Java ne. Who will store data in database? Advanced Java only. Advanced Java only store data in database. Acha, in Advanced Java, we have 2 parts. What the 2 parts? Servlet. We have a program called what? Servlet. And we have a program called what? JSP. Servlet and JSP are responsible for taking data from database, giving data, taking data from the client via network, giving data back to the client. Okay. Then next, advanced Java contains another program called what? JDBC. JDBC is responsible for taking data from Core Java and giving the data to database. So finally, tell me the flow of execution. End user to UI screens to advanced Java servlet, UI screen to advanced Java servlet giving the data to Core Java perform validations and calculations, generate the result and giving to what? Advanced Java JDBC. JDBC is storing the data in database by using directly na? No. In middle, who is coming? Who is coming? SQL and PLSQL. SQL and PLSQL will come. I am writing just SQL. Tell me, do you understand now our courses where it is coming? Then SQL after storing data in the database tables It takes the result and then giving the result to whom now? JDBC. JDBC giving the results to core Java. Core Java giving results to no, servlet. Who called our core Java, man? Servlet. Servlet give the request to JSP. JSP return the data to servlet. Servlet giving that to reports. And report will display data to user. So totally, core Java alone cannot complete a complete project development. All students now you realize why screening test exam contain minimum 4 courses. Core Java, first course is what? Core Java. Second course is what? Database. Third course is what? UI. And the fourth course is what? Advanced Java. Why minimum 4 courses knowledge required? For a develop complete project, only core Java knowledge sufficient? No. Only Oracle knowledge? No. Only UI knowledge? No. If you learn these 3 courses, 3 individual parts you have learned, then who will connect the 3 individual parts? Advanced Java. Advanced Java, Servlet and JSP connect UI, HTML and core Java. Advanced Java, JDBC part will connect core Java to database by using SQL. So that's why all these 4 courses are minimum you should learn for developing the project. Online students, everyone understand? You have asked the question, only core Java will get job. What is your answer? Will you get or will not get? Will not get. Compulsory we should require all these 4 courses. Clear? So then where is Spring Boot microservices, sir? This is Servlet and JSP Jamana is gone. Advanced Java, Servlet and JSP Jamana gone. In place of this, what is coming? Spring Boot. Advanced Java, JDBC Jamana also gone. Here what is coming? Spring Boot. Tell me, Spring Boot is replacement of core Java na replacement of Advanced Java na? Replace or alternative? Alternative, not replace. Okay, without Advanced Java, Spring Boot will not work. Spring Boot background, who is working? Advanced Java. So tell me, what is the flow of execution in the modern application? In modern application, the flow of execution is end user to UI screens to whom? Spring Boot. Spring Boot to core Java to Spring Boot to database to Spring Boot to core Java to Spring Boot to report. Okay, na? So then where is microservices? Observe this advanced Java based project architecture is called MVC. Okay, MVC. Spring Boot based architecture is called microservices. What we call? Microservices. So MVC and microservices are architectures for developing the project. Advanced Java based project architecture is MVC, which is having lot of limitations. To overcome that MVC architecture limitation, the new architecture is invented called what? Microservices, and that microservices architecture is implemented by what the framework? Spring Boot. Do you all got clarity on which course is available where? Don't worry, I'll give you the notes for it. Okay, clear architecture diagram is there. This is just a rough diagram for you to quickly understand. So the complete diagram I will dictate in tomorrow class. Is it okay? Will you remember this diagram? And tell me, what did you learn in today class? Come on. Day 1, full stack Java, core Java syllabus. Day 2, project architecture. Day 3, what did you learn today? Revising day 1, day 2, dictate the notes. Did you learn anything new today? No, no. Yes, sir. What? Last 5 minutes class, Rababu. Programming part we have learned. Types of programs we develop in programming part. We develop 3 programs. Number 1, server-side program. Core Servlet and JSP programs are called what? Server-side program. Core Java program is called business logic program. What we call? Business logic program. And next JDBC program is called database interacting program. What program? Database interacting program. Programming part is divided into 3 parts. Server side executing program, business logic program, database interacting program. 3 programs. What is the purpose of it? Just core Java. Is it not sufficient? Not sufficient. Because we want to take the data and display output not in our system, in the remote computer to the client. Take the data from remote client, display data to remote client. We require network connection. That network connection will be provided by advanced Java, Servlet and JSP. And core Java cannot interact with the database. To interact with the database, we need advanced Java JDBC. Is it clear? Right. So if you learn only core Java, will I get a job? No. If I learn only core Oracle, will I get job? No. If I learn only HTML, will I get job? No. Because we are not learning complete project development. For complete project development, we require all three parts should be connected. Connectors required. Who is the connector? Advanced Java. Array, you have tanker. Water tank is there and you have kitchen room is there. Then I want to bring water from the tank into my kitchen room. For that we required what? Pipe connection. Who is that pipe connection? Advanced Java, Servlet and JSP. Tap is there na tap. What is the tap? JDBC. Okay, na? Then we are using the pipe connection, normal pipe connection, not strong pipe connection. Okay, now I am using the pipe outside, exposing to the sunlight and water, rain. So we need some strong quality pipes. Then what is that? Spring Boot. Understand my point? Right. Will you remember this architecture? Tomorrow, can you write the notes by your own? Abba Jabba, no, Mia, no, right? Don't worry. I'll show you the architecture diagrams and I'll give you. Okay? Right. So currently I am dictating the notes because Google Classroom is not accessible to all the students. Right? If I upload, tomorrow when you're coming back, you don't have the knowledge in your brain and you'll confuse. From today onwards, every student should study the given notes and come tomorrow. Tomorrow, can I ask questions in the class? Will you answer? Start from the syllabus. What is full stack Java syllabus? What are the courses in Java module? What are the courses in database module? What are the courses in UI module? Courses names also you have to by heart and remember. Can you tell me? 24 hours time you have. In this 24 hours, are you that much busy candidate? Are you businessman Mukesh Ambani? No, I know you are beavers. Full free time is there. All you spend the time on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Stop using smart mobile. You submit your smart mobile at home. Give your smart mobile to your father. These 3 months, you buy one a dummy mobile, Dabba mobile, 1000 rupees mobile, only for having communication with your parents. If you reason my statement, stop using smart mobile, start using the Dabba mobile, and see you will have a lot of free time to study Java. If you are using smart mobile, in the classroom also you don't have time to listen. Why? Because keep on coming messages, keep on replying messages, or you keep on getting disturbance with the vibration. Yes or no? You are here for settling your career for next coming 3 to 4 months, maximum 4 months. In a maximum 4 months, you have to complete all the 4 courses up to advanced Java. Get ready for the screening test exam. Pass and get within 5 months you have to get the job. For that, how much time you have to spend for Java? Realize. Within 5 months you have to get the job with the placement assistance. So you have to study seriously. Keep your smart mobiles away and give your smart mobile to your father. Ask your father come to Hyderabad and give that smart mobile to your father. Ask him to buy for you 1000 rupees mobile. Only 1000 rupees mobile. If OLX there, 500 rupees mobile, buy. No problem. Only for making calls and send SMS sufficient. Social media, everything you got. You just absent from there. You only focus on Java learning for next 5 months and see your life will be going to be turned like anything. Take it serious, take this promise. Clear my point? So tomorrow, seriously I'm telling, I will ask the questions every student. If you don't answer, you should answer. Why you should be responsible to give me reason for not studying. I will monitor each student from the demo class only. I'm saying I will monitor every student. Last student not listening. I warn him. When I warned, last new point started, I warn him. Because previously I'm dictating notes. Listening, not a problem. I will monitor each and every student personally. I want your success. Your success is not your success. It is our success. Your success is my success. If you fail, I also fail along with you. Next batch should be formed or not? Next batch students will come based on your success only. You go and tell outside, Krishna teaching wonderful Java, forcing me study, torturing me to study. So I got the job. You also go. Yes or no? For that, I will torture. No doubt in that. Personal ask questions. Come on, Java modules, how many courses? What are the courses? Database module, how many courses? It's simple, right? How much difficulty there to study and remember? Only bend your body and brain. Enough. Okay? Thank you so much. Hope all the people enjoyed today class. So from my side, no pending. Yesterday, 2 classes notes I dictated. And tomorrow, continuation, this diagram I will give you. Okay? Thank you. Good night. That's all for today class. If you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. Malik, how many compilers you know, man? Which compiler if I use, what is your problem? Why you guys will always ask stupid questions, useless questions? Arey, ask some meaningful questions to discussion on today class, man. Which compiler we will use? How many compilers you not? Ask that question directly. You, before joining course only, so many useless questions you raise in your brain and confused. Why you, these generation people are getting lot of confusions? In Java, we don't have different compilers, only one compiler. That is Java C JDK compiler. In C language, we have different compilers. Clear? You ask same question for 10 times. Focus on current discussion, man. Malik, reply. Venki, please ask Nana. MVC stands for? Online students, can you check? Can you unmute yourself to ask questions? Akanksha, Core Java by Hari Krishna. I written myself book. No need to refer any other books. Nivedita, MVC stands for Model View Controller. Online students, can you hear me? Can you please check? Can you unmute to ask questions? I have given permission. Yeah, Nagaraj, please check in Google, man. I am not aware of that. I didn't check. Data Hadoop jobs, I am not aware of that. Please check. Olden days, we have good boom. After data science coming, I don't think so much boom is there for Hadoop. Please check Google once again. Unmute ayinda avaledu. Online students, any questions? Krishna Chaitanya, with BCom, you can join full stack Java, but getting job will be difficult. Better join MCA. Madhu Babu, as a fresher, minimum 5 lakhs will be there. Full stack Java developer, fresher, 5 lakh package will be there. Minimum. If you not up to the level, then minimum 3 lakh will be there. 3 to 5 lakhs between. based on your performance in the interview. How many assignments you want, Nivedita? You tell number. How many you want? Five assignments. Daily assignment will be there. Okay. You are asking only 5, but in the class, daily assignment will be there. Arey, I have 20 years of experience here. Don't worry, I will take care of it. I said I'll make you software engineer, okay? This course is not time pass course. Don't worry, this course is not time pass course. I am not coming here time pass, and this course is not first. It's not my first batch, okay? Everything is properly organized, okay? Now I will take care of everything. And this is not recorded sessions. This is a direct live sessions, okay? Okay. Thank you. Good night. See you all in next class tomorrow at 6 p.m. with the same link.